Hello everyone, I am Santosh. We have taken a flat in Prestige Windsor Park. So for that we were looking for interior, and while going through Facebook and Instagram page, we came to know about Magnific Interior, and we have got the contact from the Instagram. Then we contacted to Magnific. Mr. Gopinath is our first point of contact when we contacted them. Then he has guided how to proceed further. Then he has connected me to the founder of Magnific, Mr. Sujendran. So then meantime I got a reference from one of my friend who has started the work with Magnific. So after that we visited their office to discuss about the way forward, how these things has to be done. Then they've guided Miss Rohini has guided us for the designing part. She was very having very patiently. She was listening to us. She has done all the designing as per our requirement, and she also assisted us if some modification is required. And we have done the designing based on their recommendation and considering our request. So all the thing they have done. Then meantime, while doing after the starting the work, if we need any changes also, they were very cooperative. They are able to do the changes, and they have delivered the work also. What is the timeline they have committed? It was almost kind of 3 weeks they have completed the entire project. So that's all. I would recommend Magnific to others as well. So Mr. Sujendran, then Mr. Puvarasan, who was the supervisor, he was having enough patience. He was listening to us. He was helping us in every mode of the work. So we definitely will recommend Magnific to others.